Welcome to Mercer County, New Jersey, where innovation meets the road. Mercer County has become a shining example of how to transform ordinary streets into extraordinary spaces for all. In recent years, Mercer County has pioneered the systematic implementation of complete streets. These streets are designed with everyone in mind, from cyclists to pedestrians to drivers. In June of 2009, the Mercer County Planning Division requested and received support from the New Jersey Department of Transportation to develop a bicycle component to the Mercer County Master Plan Mobility Element. The plan provided guidance on a process for accommodating bicyclists on any roadway in Mercer County and set the stage for additional improvements moving forward. Their secret? A commitment to efficiency and cost effectiveness, as supported by guidance from the Federal Highway Administration. By incorporating bicycle facilities during resurfacing projects, Mercer County creates connected networks of bicycle lanes in an economical manner. Mercer County set the stage for change by passing a groundbreaking county-wide Complete Streets resolution in 2012, the first of its kind in New Jersey. This resolution ensures that every road, whether state, county, or local, adheres to their Complete Streets policy. In 2020, Mercer County unveiled its Bicycle Master Plan, providing a clear roadmap for the implementation of bicycle facilities during routine resurfacing. This strategic plan has paved the way for consistent Complete Streets implementation. The Bicycle Paving Program, initiated in 2019, marked a significant milestone. Almost 7 miles of bicycle lanes were introduced, offering valuable insights into the process and coordination required for bicycle-oriented resurfacing projects. Mercer County's dedication is evident in numerous completed projects. From Scotch Road in Ewing Township to Elm Road in Princeton, they have transformed ordinary streets into extraordinary corridors for cyclists and pedestrians. The journey continues as the Mercer County Department of Planning works hand in hand with the County Highway Department to identify high-priority areas for Complete Streets projects during the annual repaving program. Mercer County is working to make streets safer and more accessible so they can be enjoyed by all. Their commitment to Complete Streets is not just a model for New Jersey, but an inspiration for communities everywhere.